What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs, your family-oriented entrepreneur. And what I do is I teach real estate investors how to create time and freedom, helping them get from where they are to where they want to be through proven real estate investing strategies. What I'm going to do today is show you how to get started in real estate. If you're brand new, this video is definitely for you. I want you to keep watching this video until the very end, because at the end of the day, there's really only two key components to making money in real estate. You got the acquisitions. So how are you going to acquire distressed real estate? And then you have dispositions. How are you going to exit the property? So whether you're going to wholesale it, you're going to buy and hold it, you're going to rehab it and then sell it, buy a commercial unit, whatever the case may be, right? So you have two key components when it comes to making money in real estate. Really simple. A lot of people overcomplicate this, but it's ultimately acquisitions of distressed real estate, and then how are you going to exit that particular property? It could be an exit 5 years down the line. It doesn't have to be right away. If it's right away, maybe you need some quick cash through wholesaling, which we'll talk about later on in this video. But ultimately, it's how are you going to acquire distressed real estate and how are you going to exit? So I'm going to share with you two key tips today. The first thing I want to share with you is a unique way to go out there and start finding deals within the next couple of weeks. If you're brand new to real estate, it doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter where you are right now. If you have no money, if you have no credit, this particular strategy is going to allow you to get out there and start finding deals immediately. And you're going to start finding deals from people that you know are ready to sell their properties. So step number one, in order to make this work, is go out and get on every single wholesaler's email list in your area. That's the very first assignment I want you to do. I want you to go out and get on every single wholesaler's email list in your local market. The next thing I want you to do is just watch the properties that they're putting out over the next few weeks. And the reason why you're going to do this is because you're looking for the properties that the wholesalers are not selling. And after a 30-day period, I want you to go to the tax assessor's website. I have a video right here showing you exactly how to use the tax assessor's website in order to find property sellers, right? But what I want you to do, I want you to watch that video that I put up and find out who owns those properties. And I also want you to go to the Register of Deeds online website in your local area to see if there was a transition in ownership after the 30-day period. Most wholesalers take out a 30-day contract, and if they don't close within a 30-day time frame, they usually back out of their deal. So this is where you can come in, you can step in and contact that seller in order to make a deal work. And you're not looking to step on a wholesaler's toes. I wouldn't do this if the wholesaler was under contract with the particular seller. But this is definitely an opportunity for you to help a seller where a wholesaler couldn't help them, and you can go out and make a deal happen. So that's an easy way to find properties if you have no money, no credit, no way to really get out there and spend some money on marketing right now. That's an easy way to start finding deals immediately, all right? You can literally build your own in-house list within the next 30 days and start contacting sellers right off the bat and start putting houses under contract. Now, just for full disclaimer, I don't want you stepping on other investors' toes. That's not why we're in a business. We're all in this to support each other. But if an investor can't sell a property, your main objective is to help a seller get rid of their headache. And the only way for them to get rid of the headache is for them to be able to get rid of the problem. And that's exactly where you come in. You're a problem solver as a real estate investor. And if the wholesaler's contract expired, you can come in and you can sign a contract with the seller, and then you'll have your shot at making some money on that deal as well. Simple concept. Don't overcomplicate this. This is an easy way to get out there and start finding deals immediately. Now, once you have a property under contract, there's a couple of different ways that you can exit the contract. Remember, I told you that real estate investing, effective real estate investing, is all about acquisitions of distressed properties and then how you're gonna exit, right? Disposition. Well, two of my favorite ways to exit a property, one of them is a short-term strategy and one of them is a long-term strategy. The first one, which is more of an active play, an active income producing opportunity, is wholesaling real estate, all right? And if you wanna know more about wholesaling real estate, I have an entire playlist on how to wholesale real estate. And rather than explaining wholesaling in its entirety in this particular video, you can go ahead up in the cards and check out my wholesaling playlist. I promise you, if you go through that playlist, there's no way you're not gonna know what you need to know in regards to wholesaling real estate. The second way is more of a long-term play. This is how you make long-term money in real estate. And it allows you to make money up front. It allows you to make money every month. And when you sell the property on the back end, and that's through buy and hold real estate, which is, again, one way to do it, because you can jump into creative real estate investing as well. But not to confuse you, the second way, I want to keep it really simple, is to do a buy and hold strategy. That's where the passive income comes in every single month in order for you to be able to build real wealth. When you have cash flow coming in from a property, when you have the benefits of owning the property, and you're building equity in that property over time, where you can eventually sell the property or refinance it to pull cash out to be able to buy more real estate, this is where real wealth is built in real estate. There's a simple way that you can do a long-term buy and hold. You can use creative real estate investing strategies, or you can use your regular BRRRR method. Both of these methods I've taught in full detail on my channel. I have playlists on both of them. So again, the strategies that I like to use actively is wholesaling. Passively is long-term buy and holds through the BRRRR method or creative real estate investing. So now that we have that out of the way, you understand that there's two ways to truly make money in real estate effectively. Number one is to acquire distressed real estate. Number two is figure out what your exit is gonna be. Now, once you understand that concept and you don't overcomplicate this, at the end of the day, it's gonna be easy for you to get out there and truly make money in real estate. Now, before you go, let me provide you with a quick game plan on how to do both in order to maximize your profit potential as a real estate investor. What I like to do is I like to wholesale 4 houses to keep active income coming in. Then I take all of that money and I'll buy 1 property, cash, right? And that way you're actively making money, and then you start building passive income as well. Wholesale, 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 keep. Once your passive income exceeds your active income, you can decide on keeping more properties and not doing wholesaling anymore, or you can just keep everything the same, keep making active income combined with the passive income. So that's basically what I wanted to share with you today in this video. If you're just getting started, that is the best way to do it. So I hope you gained benefit from this video. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell. Make sure you leave a comment below as well. I want to hear what your thoughts are on this video and how I can help you further in your real estate investing business. And I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Peace.